Fine, let me go with the problem number 12. Here the difference between the LCM and HCF of the numbers 30, 36 and 190. Right, first let me find out LCM and then HCF, then find the difference of LCM and HCF. You are going to get the answer. Let me start working with the LCM. You know how to find the LCM by division method. That is going to be 30, 36 and 90. Let us start working on it. So here, right, so 3s are, let me go, that is 3 10s are, right, 3 1s are, right, 2 3 2s are, right, 3 3s are, 30. Again now I can go with the 2 2 5s are, 2 6 are, right, 2 15s are, right, 5, let me go with 5 5 1s are, 6 5 3s are. Now I need to go with the 3, right, so 1 I can't divide, so 2s are and 1s are. So the LCM of this particular 30, 36 and 90 is 2 times are there, that is 2 into 2, right, 3 2 times are there, that is 3 into 3 and 5. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 5, right, 5 4s are 20, 29s are, right, so 20 into 9, which is going to be 180. 180 is going to be our LCM. Now let me find out HCF. Right, go with the division or prime factorization method. Let me go with the division. Let me take the first two numbers, that is 30 and 36. I will take 36, I will divide by 30. Right, 31s are 30, 6 is the remainder. Now from 6 I divide 30, right, 6 5s are 30, right, 0, no remainder. So that's what, for 30 and 36 the HCF is 6. Now I will find the HCF for 6 and 90. So now 90 I will divide by 6, 6 6 1s are 6, 6 15s are 15, 6 are 90. So therefore HCF of these numbers are 6. Now what they asked, we need to find the difference, that is LCM minus HCF. Let me go, that is LCM is 180, HCF is 6, so 174. Right, answer option D is the right one. Or otherwise you can go with the prime factors also. Right, you try out with the prime factorization method.